Yo, what's up Mungang? So ngayon, July 22, today is Monday. So kasama ko si Paul tsaka si Jake. Tatlo kami ngayon. Then morning shift kami. 5, 6 a.m. to 3:30. Then makakauwi kami ng mga ganyan. Ayos kasi morning shift. So yung kung dati nung problema ko sa shift ngayon, ginawa nila, in-alternate na nila, ginawa nila ng paraan. So nung last week kami yung evening shift, din ngayon morning shift naman kami. So walang problema yan, para pantay ba. Then happy 2,700 subscribers Moongang 27. Kahit pa paano umaangat pa rin tayo, di ba? Kahit konti lang, wala namang problema doon. Importante na dadagdagan. Kahit isa sa isang araw, dalawa, walang problema dyan. Importante masaya tayo na nagawa tayo ng mga video. Then pa shout out hello, pa-shoutout naman po from here Abu Dhabi. Ingat po lagi sa kapainom ka po. More water and vitamins po para sa ubo. And magdala ka po ng ginger. Mainam po yun sa ubo, lemon. Shoutout kay Mine Superhero 16. Thank you so much. Maraming concern sa akin na nagko-comment dito. Meron dito. Mga concern sila. Thank you so much sa mga pagaling ka po, idol, sabi ni Virgilio Marcito. Then parang happy tayo dyan kasi kahit pa paano may mga concern sa atin ba na kung ano, alam yun, mga followers natin concern sila. Then kung magtatanong ko sa akin kung ano yung ginawa namin kahapon, nag-movie marathon na kami kahapon sa Netflix. Ano yung movie pinanood? The School for the Evil and Good, and tsaka 8 for Lives, horror yun, tsaka magic yun. Then yun lang naman yung ginawa namin. Hindi kasi during rest day naman dito, hindi naman kami gumagalay kasi nga walang galaan nga dito lang. Tignan nyo, tahimik na yan, oh. Pero sige lang, kaya kung makapunta ko sa ma-transfer kami this coming September, igagala ko rin kayo doon. Hindi ko alam rin kung may galaan doon, pero same ko, pero feel ko ganito pa rin. Pero may bilihan lang doon ng pagkain kasi dito sa amin wala kasi kaming bilihan. Mga 1 hour pa yung ita-travel namin. 1 hour pa yung ita-travel namin bago makapunta sa bilihan. Then magbasa tayo ng mga comment dito. Then I have also a follower here. He said, I think kasi may vlog ako nung nakaraan sa sobrang init sa Hungary. Kasi sa Hungary nagkasakit ako, parang ganun ba. Comment siya. This is my subscriber here in Hungary. I think these complicated weird words will become simpler with meaning below. Al below. Also the lower one, Mochola, Marsh or Moras, and settlement that placed the Alchomokcholad village in the lower March, currently lake. Isn't anyone in the neighborhood from you guys who could borrow some bicycles or scooters? Life would be easier in such place than waiting half of the day for buses. I didn't understand, how did you get home from Dumbo Bar or late Sunday evening? Yes, subtitles would be kind from you. It's so nice of you think of us instead of that. Sleep more, it's much more important. I'm sure that you don't have possibility to enough sleep. Maybe if foreigners don't understand all the details happen with you but are curious about they have opportunity to ask it's enough. Are you sick? I hope it may not serious. It will soon maybe just cold or an infection cold inside the factory among its uh, English ba? A moment. In our neighborhood, we're not very close to our neighborhood. It's like we don't but it's hira talaga ng English like. Followers ko kasi dito sa Hungary ba. Then if you're asking me if I am sick, yes, I am sick. I just cold and I have suffered fever for 2 days and I have fever, and even if I have fever I go to work because I don't want to get absent, because if I will absent there's there will be a problem about the salary. That's because I don't have like SCC card, still on process. SCC card para siyang guys, para siyang about sa medical dito, na para pag may SCC card ka na, yung medical mo wala kang babayaran, parang ganun. So wala pa ako nun. Then I didn't understand, how did you get home from Tombobar on late Sunday evening? Our rest day are during weekends, and during weekends we just stay in our house. We don't go to church, we don't go to a park, so we don't have a problem about it. Isn't anyone in the neighborhood? Yeah, about the bicycles or scooters, yeah, we are very shy, to borrow bicycle or scooter. Maybe in Magoch, I don't know. Yeah, that's it. So, ito lang guys. Ito lang naman yung update ko sa ngayong araw. Today is July 22, Monday. Yun lang naman din. Sa mga hindi pa po, 27 na tayo, 27 subscribers. So, sa mga hindi pa po nako-subscribe, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, Edmond Chavez Vlogs. And kalimbangin nyo ng bell, hit the notification bell. And I have also Facebook, Edmond Chavez Vlogs, and another second page, The Adventure of Edmond Chavez Vlogs. Din sa mga solid Team Mungang na always nanonood ng mga videos ko sa YouTube, Facebook, maraming salamat guys. Don't forget to leave a comment, and mag-comment na rin kayo. Gusto nyo pa-shoutout, mag-comment kayo. And sa mga nag-apply, apply na ng apply, matatanggap rin kayo. And God bless, bye bye.